Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload a document in ChatGPT. So let's get started the video. To upload a document in ChatGPT, open the ChatGPT app on your mobile phone. Then click on this plus icon and you will see some icon shown here. From this, click on the file icon. And now from here, scroll down and find the document you want to upload. Click on it. It will take some time to upload the document. Now you can click here and write a prompt. You can tell the ChatGPT to summarize your document or something like this. Now tap send button to send your document. And ChatGPT will answer you with your suggested prompt. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.